Bailey, I'm recording you.
Look,
get your eggs.
Get it down there.
Bailey and Maggie's
Easter
Easter egg hunt,
one,
2009.
Don't throw it hard. She threw it like a rock.
Honey.
Hey, what's this?
Maggie, look.
Maggie,
Are they real eggs?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
She threw that one in like a rock.
what is that? Is that one?
My plans for deviled eggs is going to diminish rapidly.
Just drop it in there. Hey, oh, go get him.
Get him, Maggie, get him. Be careful.
Maggie, don't scramble them.
Wait, there she was going towards him.
Go get one.
Yeah, but she's scrambling you.
Bailey, there was one like by your foot just now. Yeah. Okay.
Hey. You're fine.
Hey,
You
Bailey,
skipped it.
I'm going to send you on a search. Come here. I see one.
I see one too.
No, send it the obvious one. Go.
Good job, Megan.
There.
Hey, get back over there, Bailey. Maggie, go this way.
Maggie, there's some over here.
Bailey, you
Bailey, get
listen.
your one you were looking at. Go.
Bailey, you go that way. Maggie, you go this way.
Look under
It
that
is
big tree.
confusing.
Keep going. You're getting warmer.
Hey,
under
look by that tree, Maggie.
Megan. Look by that
Bailey,
tree
is
right
there
there.
one down there by the concrete? Look
Meg,
around
no,
the
that
tree.
tree. That one.
Megan,
Right there.
look
Right
over
there.
there.
You see
You
it?
see it.
Whoa. I don't know where you see one at, Dad.
Oh, I see it. Come back this way. Come back this way. You're getting real warm.
Hey, Maggie.
You're getting
Maggie.
warmer.
Do you see
You're
one
getting
over
warmer.
there, maybe? Maggie and Bailey. Look, I think there's
Good
over
job,
like
dude.
two left. Maggie, look at the grill. Meg.
Can I get it?
No, let Maggie get it.